I'm Dr. Meenal K. Kadpure, Senior Consultant Pediatric Neurologist at Narayana Health City, Bengaluru. I passionately believe in working to ensure that children with neurological disorders live life up to their fullest potentials. Whatever may be the underlying diagnosis, cerebral palsies, developmental disabilities, autism spectrum disorders, learning difficulties, or a child who's battling with epilepsy, I believe that with the right kind of treatment, some encouragement, good therapies, and lot of love from family, children who have neurological disorders can improve, can do well, and show remarkable progress. The kind of patients that I see in my OPD include mostly developmental disabilities, cerebral palsies because of different causes, children who have autism spectrum disorders, learning difficulties, childhood onset epilepsies, children who have neuromuscular disorders, and a wide range of children who have neurogenetic and neurometabolic disorders. Sometimes these disorders are under-recognized, not diagnosed, or worse still, misdiagnosed. These disorders are sometimes difficult to diagnose and may need very advanced diagnostic techniques and a sound knowledge of the subject. How is pediatric neurology at NH Health City different? Well, I believe in a multidisciplinary team approach so that any child who comes to us, depending upon his individual needs or unique neurological needs, other specialists will also be involved. Other specialists can be specialists like physiotherapist, occupational therapist, speech therapist, child psychiatrist, psychologist, etc., depending upon the child's needs, so that that child has got a comprehensive and a wholesome kind of a treatment for best treatment results. I also believe in empowering parents by educating them about their child's healthcare needs and also giving them insights into their child's neurological illness. Why did the child develop this neurological illness? How is it going to behave over the coming months or years? How are the medicines going to help? What will happen if we don't give the medicines? And are the medicines going to cause any side effects? And what to look out for? I believe that educating parents by telling them all this also ensures that the child gets better care and support at home, and this in itself contributes largely to the success of the treatment. Please remember that most of the neurological disorders, when diagnosed in a timely manner, can improve, can progress well. Thank you.